Hello students, today let me discuss the next important element, that is so called as types of partnership. And speaking about the types of partnership, the partnership are going to be broadly classified into two types. One is classification of partnership on the basis of duration, and second thing is the classification of partnership on the basis of the liability. And once again, under the classification of the duration, you will study two important types of partnerships. One is partnership at a will, and another one is the particular partnership. So these are the two important types which can be studied under the broad classification of the classification of partnership on the basis of the duration or the time period. So let me discuss the first important type of partnership, that is so called as partnership at will. Partnership at a will is nothing but it is a type of partnership which remain in existence at the will and the desire of the partners in a partnership firm. At a will and the desire in the sense, for how many days the partners are willing to continue the business of partnership firm, only for that particular period the partnership firm will be in existence, and thereafter they can terminate the partnership at their own desire. Just by terminating the partnership deed, they can rightly relinquish and close down the partnership firm at any point of time. That is so called as partnership at will. And second important type of the partnership is particular partnership. The name itself suggests that it is a type of partnership which will be in existence only up to the accomplishment of specified task or the completion of specified work. It means that for keeping in mind what intention the partnership is formed or established, if that partnership is going to fulfill those intentions, then automatically the partnership firm is going to relinquish its existence. And even it so happens that the partnership has been formed only for the specific time period, and if that partnership firm is going to complete those many time period or the fixed time period, automatically after the expiry of the particular time period, automatically the partnership is going to loses its existence. That is so called as particular partnership. So these can be studied under the head called as the classification of partnership under the time period or the duration. And next important type of the partnership is classification of partnership on the basis of liability of the partners. So the first important partnership is general partnership. So what is general partnership? General partnership is a partnership where the partners in a partnership firm will take active part in the management as well as in the administration of the partnership firm. And apart from that, the liability of all the partners in the partnership firm will be unlimited liability, in the sense, if the partnership firm has incurred any kind of the losses, the partners has to sell their private property or the personal property so as to meet out the losses so incurred by the partnership firm. And it is going to be affected by death, insanity, as well as insolvency of any partners in a partnership firm. It means that if any partner, any one of the partners in a partnership firm dies at any point of time, automatically the partnership firm is going to lose its existence. That partnership is so called as the general partnership. And next important type of partnership is the limited partnership. It is also so called as the LLPs. LLPs in the sense limited liability partnership. So the name itself suggests that speaking about this kind of a partnership, only one partner is having unlimited liability, but whereas the other partners in a partnership are having the limited liability. And as far as management of the partnership firm is concerned, the partners are not going to take any kind of the active participation with respect to the management as well as the administration of the partnership, and it is not going to be affected by death, insanity as well as insolvency of any partners in a partnership firm. It means that if any one of the partners dies, it is not going to lose its existence. That partnership is so called as the limited partnership, and it is one of the latest as well as the advanced type of partnership that we can see. That is why it is well known as LLPs. So this is the discussion on the different types of the partnership. Please go through the same. Thank you.